Good morning, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here with our Sorbet shawl. And I wanted to just take a moment and talk to you about establishing our stripe section of our Sorbet shawl pattern. So if you look at this finished shawl, we started with our garter tab, and then we're gonna establish this pattern where we're going back and forth and we're increasing every other row and using two different colors as we go along with our knitting. And so this is what it looks like, and I want to show you right here in the center. A knit stitch is always maintained, and then we have yarn overs on either side of it, and then we have yarn overs on the edges. Now a lot of shawls, I will say to go ahead and slip the last stitch of the row to make a nice slip stitch edge, but on this particular pattern I tried it and it was kind of loopy and too loose looking. So I think that just knitting as the pattern recommends is the best way to go. Don't slip that stitch on the edge. It looked just fine with it like this, and it left it so there's less for you to catch on or to cause pulls in your actual shawl when it's finished. So we are going to be going along until we get to our lace pattern on the bottom here, and here's our lace pattern. I don't know if you can see that, but that is what is in store for us next, and that will be in a future video that we're going to be talking about. So here's my shawl pattern so far, and I've started with that garter tab, and I have not slipped my edge stitch, so I have it nice and structured and there's nothing for you to catch on when you're wearing it. And then my gauge is nice and relaxed, it's nice and squishy, and I'm using these two colors, maintaining my yarn overs in the center on either side of that center stitch there. And it is just an 8-row repeat. It's super simple and it's great fun so far. So we have to establish our stripe section, and then we're going to be doing the 8-row repeat 18 more times till we have 317 stitches. So that's what we're working on right now. So I will have future videos when I get to the lace section to help you along with that.